Hello everyone, I am Pritha, an interior designer and an interior entrepreneur. Can you see me how I'm speaking right now? The confidence, the self-esteem, the way I am dressing up, the way my body language. It was nothing like that. 3 months back, before starting my PPMM journey, I was nothing but broken from all spheres of my life. Then, 3 months back, you can say around October, I was given this shock to leave my company because they were shutting down. So I decided that I am going to quit and I'm going to start my own interior designing firm. And it was not easy. I was very low. I was very low in confidence. The way I'm talking right now, I was not even there. I could never think that I can talk in front of camera with very properly. So that is when I was an underconfident girl. I became underconfident. 3 months back when I left my job, I became an underconfident girl who never knew how to run a business. I thought I'll never be able to run a business. There are big interior designing firms in Mumbai, and where will I stand? I will stand nowhere. I don't even know how to run business. I don't even know how to do finances. I don't even know how to hire a staff. I had no money. I had nothing. And that is when I went into a depression. The fear was all over my head. That's exactly when I came across PPMM. This is how my journey started of PPMM. And now I'm happy that I'm able, or I am reaching towards finding my vision, mission, and my goal. Hello everyone. So, my 1 month journey of PPMM. Yes, it is. I have so much to say about it. But let's begin with the theme. The theme of this 1 month PPMM journey was clarity. And for that, let me tell you one thing, guys. For the first time in my life, I went on digging deeper and thinking about myself. I realized what I am. I am not this. My thinking process went on changing. Number one, I became more disciplined. I was not a morning person, but now I get up every day in the morning, start my day. Number two, I was always complaining that I live alone and I have to do everything on my own, but now I realized what is the meaning of taking accountability of your own life. I took it as a challenge and I went on doing everything on my own, and now I'm very happy and satisfied that I am so capable to do everything on my own. Second thing. Third thing, I met wonderful people in the community. I could discover myself, what kind of person I am, where I was hiding myself, saying what people will say, no, I am not good enough. I realized that I am a people person who wants to help, and that is what I was hiding myself, because people who help and be good to the society are very rare, and people who are like that are being criticized by a lot of people saying you are fake. So that is what I realized. Do not think what society is going to say. This is my journey of my 1 month PPMM. I improved my communication. I became more disciplined. I started taking action 10x. I made a very good set of friends. In short, my lifestyle is have changed drastically and everybody can notice it. And that is now keeping me going on and on. Shooting the journey to video. Yes. And you can see my energy. It is high, and high. The Josh is very high. So yes, I am extremely happy for the fact that I have overwhelmed. And I'm overwhelmed because I have moved maybe 5 steps ahead. And now I am doing something different. I have become great communicator. I have improved my relationships. I have said goodbye to the toxic one or to the negative one, and I have welcomed a beautiful relationships. I have become amazing friends with our PPMM family batch 13. Journey is going up and down, but for mostly when it is down, it speed up to up really well. So yes, this is what I am right now. This is month 3 and I'm shooting this video, and energy. Yes. I am sharing something really emotional in this video. How my mindset has shifted so much that I didn't even realize it. So this comes with the point, that I had to go out with some of my friends somewhere, the old friends, and I realized that the kind of negativity they hold, the kind of negativity they are radiating to me is actually causing my growth. And that's exactly when I realized that I have come far away from each and everything. This 3rd month for me was about choosing the right environment. Choosing the right environment around me. And yes, of course, I have changed a lot. I have become more disciplined. I get up early in the morning. I do my work. Whenever I fall down, the biggest thing that is happening with me right now is bouncing back again. Yes, that is what is happening with me. Though there are ups and downs, there are swarm period, there are some motivational period, but in all of that, I am able to get back on track. And that is exactly what is happening to me in month 3. And how grateful I am for all the mentors, our Gurudev, everybody who have changed me so much that other people are recognizing it. I am, of course, recognizing it, but more of that I'm realizing through somebody else, through the people that, oh, I like your social media. Oh, you're going great. I also had immense increase in the followers and the engagement in my content. Wherever I go, people tell me, you make amazing reels, you make amazing videos, content, and they're so happy to see me like that. Lot of people, lot of my cousins, they came up to me and told me that, cousins, family member, relatives, friends, everyone, they are coming up and telling me that we are so proud of you. Whatever you are doing amazing. In personal life, I have improved my relations with my family, with my mother, with my father, with my brother. And this is what I always missed. I know how to talk to them. I know, and they can sense the change in me. And that is what I am loving. I can see those changes personality-wise, and overall my personality. I can say I'm becoming a passionpreneur. As it is said that passionpreneur is not a course, it's a lifestyle. Oh, I am loving this lifestyle so much that I am just understanding that universe is giving me exactly what I needed, and exactly when I know, that I want to get it back. I want to surround myself with such type of people, and success will come to me easily. Hello everyone. So yes, we are almost done with the journey of PPMM. It is the 4th month, and Uh, Fourth month was all about monetization and going out there, talking to clients, HTC, high ticket closing, and everything. The biggest thing but I learned in the fourth month is how you talk to the client, how you can go ahead and discuss with them, how can you close the client. And the biggest thing the fourth month taught me is how to bounce back when you fall down, when you are swamped, when you forget about why you're here, when you go back to your old patterns, your old things, how to come back. That I literally can see the mindset difference in me, the 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 kind of reactions I used to give earlier is absolutely different than what I give it now. The way I used to have my self-talks, it was all about doubts, but now my self-talks are all about motivation, being kind to myself. And biggest thing is, when you fall down, it just give me motivation to get back and bounce back again just by thinking about it. And that is where I will say this 4 month of journey, I couldn't realize that I've changed my mindset. Of mental toughness is, I can say it was a good mental toughness I've got in these coming years. So yes, this is, I think, is my, this is what I learned from fourth month. Hello, passion runners, energy, 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 energy. Well, I'm shooting this video of my entire journey. We're already done with our 4-month journey of Passion Runner Mastermind, and I'm here to tell you all the things that have changed me, and I couldn't realize it, frankly speaking. So if you ask me, month 1, it was all about me changing my mindset, my business mindset first of all, and making a good amount of time for myself. My second month was all about speaking in front of camera, speaking everything that is there, becoming very courageous in front of camera. So that is what it is. It was what my second month was all about. It shifted me completely, and during third month, it was all about the growth people could see in me instead of me, because I was still, I need to do more. But when my friends, family came to me and told me that, your content is very good, you do it very properly, I realized that I have came far way in these 3 months. When it comes to fourth month, my work started recognizing it. People started recognizing my work. And I got the inquiry through social media, 4 to 5 inquiries through social media. I learned high ticket closing. And at that particular time, I started implementing it. And I never thought sales is like that. I've realized that it is something else that I'm learning. And I've realized that when I connected emotionally with my clients, I've realized that, that exactly what that it has to be like that. And I went on doing all these things of, encouraging myself, taking that leap of faith, taking all that risk. There were swamp periods where I used to feel, oh my God, I have so much to do, and I was overwhelmed. But that is exactly when it was easy for me to overcome. The old Prutha wouldn't have overcome, and she would have it was very messy for her. But when I started doing this, it was all easy for me to come out from the swamp period or from the overwhelming situations. So that exactly I felt was the biggest transformation in me in all those 4 months. And right now also I have just monetized. It took me so much time to monetize because I don't know, it took me some time to monetize, but I was keeping patience, so I learned patience also. And a lot of things in the business change in my relationships with my family, with my partner, with everybody around me. I became more humble, more happy, and that exactly reflected into me, and that is exactly what happened during that time. So yes, that's what is all about my PPMM journey till now. And yes, that's it for my PPM journey, and it is going to continue till my death, till the end. Yes, thank you.